Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable hints on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below in the left side corner, and then in the upper right corner of the screen you should tap on the settings icon. Now click on the preferences section, which is the second one, and then you should scroll down within the sharing settings section, and here you can find the disable hints feature that you can turn on by tapping on this button next to it on the right side of the screen, meaning that whenever you are using a particular feature within Photoshop, you won't be able to read these hints in order how to, or that aims to, or these hints basically aim to help you how to use the particular feature that you have selected. So when it is enabled, it means that these hints won't be available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.